I'm Alex. This is Code Along with Alex, and let's pass data between two threads in Rust. We're going to be using Crossbeam and Crossbeam channel today. So let's create a cargo project, and then I will do some talking after. So cargo new, pass data between two threads, and then change into that directory. Cool. Open the cargo.toml. Start, we gotta add Crossbeam version 0.8.2 and then cross beam channel version, I believe 0.5.6, but let me double check real quickly. It's loading. My at times slow internet. Yes. Perfect. Okay, cool. Let's save our cargo.toml and then get right into main.rs. So I'm going to add a couple new lines above our main function, and then we'll write two use statements. We're going to use std thread and time. And we're also going to use crossbeam channel unbounded. And then before I go any further, I'm going to do a little reading, and then we'll get back to coding. So this example is going to demonstrate the use of crossbeam channel in a single producer, single consumer setting. We're going to build off the X crossbeam spawn example by using crossbeam scope and scope spawn to manage the producer thread. So data is going to be exchanged between two threads using a crossbeam channel unbounded channel, meaning there is no limit to the number of storable messages. The producer thread sleeps for half a second in between messages. Okay, cool. So we have our use statements. Let's update the main function body. We'll do let's send receive equals unbounded. Next, let end messages equals 5. Okay, now we'll do crossbeam scope. We'll do a closure. So s.spawn, another closure. And for I in 0 to n messages, send I dot unwrap. And then thread sleep, and then time duration from millis 100. Awesome. Throw a semicolon there. Then we gotta do dot unwrap. Finally, 4 underscore and 0 to end messages. Web message equals receive dot receive dot unwrap and println received message. And we are good to go. Save this and do cargo run and see what happens. Received 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. So that just the number of messages. So for interesting. Okay. So we're incrementing the message number. Nothing too crazy. Okay. If we changed the number of messages, say 20, we expect it just to have 0 through 19. Yep. And then if we change the duration in millis, it'll just take a little bit longer. Basically twice as long. Cool. That was a quick whirlwind tour of passing data between two threads. It's definitely kind of a trivial example, but we're starting to get to some of the more, I guess, advanced side of Rust. So this is fun. But thanks for hanging out. I'm Alex. This has been Code Along with Alex. I hope to see you next time. Bye.